Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. Well, I will say, Duncannon, Pennsylvania, this was a busy area. Train after train after train. If I play the whole video, it'll be about an hour and a half, so I'm just going to break a few down and put them into shorter versions. That way you just don't sit in front of the computer all day and watch them. So you can watch each one individually, okay? Thanks for watching all of my train videos. See here, we got a few rail fans. A lot of trains coming by here today. And on that note, Traveler out.